Hi guys, welcome to another Pokemon Showdown video, and today I'll be showing off a new Pokemon on my tactical team, which is my Skarmory. My Skarmory has leftovers, its ability Sturdy, it has good defense and special defense, and its moves are Spikes, Stealth Rocks, Toxic, and Roar. Spikes and Stealth Rocks I can set up, so they get damaged. Toxic, so I can just do extra damage to the first opponent, because they're not going to get damaged by Stealth Rocks and that. And then Roar, so they keep switching out, and then they keep getting damaged by Stealth Rocks. Okay, let's find a battle. And see who it is. Ooh. Alolan Raichu. We'll go with Rage Bird, and we'll Stealth Rock. The Spikes. Ooh. Well, they have that set up now. Alright, we'll do the Umbreon strats. They're gonna Electriball. We're gonna Curse. Then we're gonna Dark Pulse. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll have to mirror then. Why did that do less? Oh, I've got leftovers. Right. Wish. Come on. Wish then. Nice. I'm gonna beat you. Maybe not actually. This is bad. I need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of that and the weird. I don't know what it's called. The fire dragon thing. Can't remember its name. Watch him wish now. I know it. Their wish ain't gonna come true, and I'm gonna go first. It's dead. And whatever comes out, please be the dragon thing. They're gonna get hurt by Stealth Rocks and Spikes. I really hope it's the dragon thing. Turtonator. Nope, it's Kamala. Great. It has Comatose. Alright, let's Shockwave. They knocked off my item, but I don't even know what it was. Let's Quiver Dance. Ooh. I'm gonna Drowning Kiss. Don't Fire Blast. Shell Smash. Ha. I'm a fairy type. I nearly pressed Psychic. I was literally about to press it anyway. When that dies, I can just sweep with Barrow. Porygon Z. What's he gonna do here? Because I'm a Quiver Dance. Trick. I'm gonna Quiver Dance again. Probably wasn't very nice. It's Bug Buzz. See how much this does. Ooh. Might be a sweep. Although we couldn't do it with Rage Bird. We might be able to sweep with Rabombi. Because for the Espeon we have Bug Buzz. The Salazzle we have Psychic. Oh, maybe not. Okay, well, we're gonna have to sweep this. Right, we Mega Evolution Dragon Dance. Toxic, of course. I might just Earthquake it. He's gonna Espeon and use a Fairy move. Oh, we won! He forfeit! Okay then. Let's go into another battle and hope we can use Rage Bird. Oh my goodness. Key Flicky. Skarmory. Let's Stealth Rock. Now we roar. Okay, we're dead. That's good though, because we've done damage. Now we'll sweep with this thing. Oh. Dang it, I hate the Thunder Wave. This thing needs to die. Ooh, I need to hit. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay. I'm gonna mirror. And light screen. And then reflect. Oh, it does really now. I should have found the right, to be honest. This Thunder Wave. Dang it. Defog? Oh, Defog got rid of that. Do you think we can win? Oh, it's a Darkrai. Oh, Prankster. Let's Dazzling Gleam. Hypnosis. Jesus Christ. Defense. Oh, mistake. Bad, wake up. Ooh. The nasty plot. Dead. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to end it here. We had a good run. And there was no way we're going to win that battle. He was definitely going to sweep. Well then, I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I can do a battle against Charlie, maybe with tactical teams. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.